Om Sai Ram to all my Baba devotees out there. How's everyone doing? And I hope you all have a beautiful and a blessed Thursday ahead. Last week, I had shared with you all my birthday experience, and many of you had messaged me once again wishing me belated wishes by some, and by some that they were overwhelmed, and how they felt, how could I even tell that I have even tried to commit suicide. There's nothing wrong in it. I've always said this. In fact, when COVID was in the peak, I was the person who went live and I said it is okay to accept your dark side. It is okay to accept that you're weak. It does not mean if it is Pinky Punjabi, she has to be strong, because every healer, be it Pinky Punjabi or any healer, has undergone something or the other, and she or he has healed themselves to come and achieve this level of success. Only thing is, even then, when the healing process was happening, even now when the person is completely healed, I just tell them, have undeterred faith in Baba. And if you have been let down in life, tell others how you were let down and how you came out of it, because some will talk as a part of gossip. Don't worry about it. People who talk as gossip, end of the day, I always say, you never know when your life becomes a gossip, because what I do for others, it invariably turns back and comes to me. I am a believer of karma. So if you are a believer of karma, fine. If you're not believer, that's also fine, because everyone has their own ideas. So there's nothing wrong in sharing your failures to others, because if people are going to take it as a laughing stock and talk, it is their mindset and it is their fickle mindedness. And if people are going to take you as an inspiration, and if people are going to take you as a role model, they will become as you are, they will become as strong as you are. So if you're a healer out there, tell your students, tell your clients what you've been through and how you've handled it. It will become a source of inspiration for them. Let's see what Baba is going to give as an inspiration today. Wow. Grace of the Guru. See, what did I say now? Today I said that as a guru, tell your students what you've been through. Baba is also saying Baba's grace is upon you. Use it well. So Baba is guiding you always. It's just that we use it in the right way or we don't use it. It is in our hands. So Baba is asking you to use it in the right way, because when you use it in the right way, you will find a new discovery. Though it says the world is your home, be happy wherever you are. This is a discovery where I am spreading joy in the world. Joy is coming to me. I am spreading confidence in the world. Confidence is coming to me. When people hear your story and look up at you as a point of role model, as a point of mentor, believe me, when their lives become better, Baba blesses you in turn abundantly. Spread the name of Baba also. I always say, spread the name of Baba's miracles everywhere, because we all spread the miracles of Saint Expedit. We all spread the miracles of other gods and goddesses. Why not Baba's miracles also? Because Baba has given umpteen number of miracles for people who just follow him blindly and have faith on him blindly. So today do that, and as usual, feed a stray animal. I'm sure Baba will bless you. Also today, if possible, pick up one or two bedspreads like bed sheets or some dress and donate it to someone in need. Give it to a poor child, or give it or donate to a poor old lady or a poor old man, and somewhere Baba will immensely bless you back. Om Sai Ram to all you Baba devotees out there.